That was probably my closest call ever to being completely covered in lava bombs. I just ran.
Matthew says they're waiting for the volcano to erupt, for time being just hanging at the crater edge. Volcano starts screaming like a jet engine as it unleashes its power. Ash gets thrown 200 meters into the air, and small rocks fall down on their heads.
Bezimiani volcano, which is meaning in Russian means nameless, has actually erupted, and the eruption of it has created a lot of disruption. I should say, yeah, toward the east actually. But the scientists are trapped in the cloud, ash cloud of this. These are the volcanologists who actually spend their time to observe this volcano and adjacent volcanoes, neighboring areas.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hit the bell down below to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for your support.